Today's video will be about how to get the skirt prize in DTI. Join my Discord group! So first things first is get to the lobby. To win the fog, have 5 to 6 people. Get in one that you know is doing fog or say ABC, ABCD for fog. Once you're in a group, try and know who in the server is the best at the fog since it's really hard. If people leave the group in 5 seconds, also leave because to win it's best to have a lot of people. When you teleport spam fog in the chat or just say we are doing fog, you can skip the cutscene as well if you watched it before. The cutscene shows clues like I said in my last video. But after that, follow me to the deck. Go to the circle. This is the fog you will be challenging yourself with. Now this will pop up, so say fog, of course. Now it will say this, so follow me. Go to this circle. These shapes are up to numbers. And it is in order, so once you know the numbers, put it in order on this pad. But to know the numbers, there will be paper notes around the map. There are bear traps too, and here is what happens if you get trapped. But what makes it hard is there is a timer and a monster. You have 3 lives. If this pops up, it means a note is found, a number. As Jay can see, I found one. Explore, I'll find a notes. I found another one now. If you die, you lose 1 life. Here is what happens. If it says enter code for the secret door, follow me. Put the numbers in the pad. The door will open. And then a cutscene. Press return to lobby. Follow me to get the prize.